Alright, how's it going, YouTube? Back out with the Losi 8ight. I end up putting back, if I remember correctly, I had the Armor stock motor in here. I end up taking that back out and putting the stock motor back in here, which is a 2650. It's a 4S motor, but I be running on a 6S sometimes. But it's geared to a 16 tooth. I actually show y'all right now. A couple people had asked me about the setup. It snowed a couple days ago. I'm like, let me get out here and do a snow bash. But it got a 16 tooth pinion on it, and it is a 2500 kV, and it's a 6-pole motor. I'm running 4S. I did take out the stock ESC, which is a 4S ESC, and I just put a 6S ESC. I put the ESC in here and the T-Max because I only run 4S on that. So enough talking. Let's get out, rip it up. And it's not cold today. It's 30-something degrees, but it's just not cold. Anyway, y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, let's see what's going on. Oh, hold on. Only on 4S, but it rips with that 2500 kV. Hopefully it don't get stuck up in here. Would have been cool if I had some paddles. Ooh, would have definitely been ripping it up with some paddles. Ooh, see if we can hit the jump. See how that work out. Not bad on control. Got stuck in there. Ain't no way that's coming out. But it's not bad on in the snow. It's not bad in the snow on handling, especially that this snow is hard like a rock. I see once it lands, it's over, so. Just spinning. Has some more traction, it'll be better. Or some better tires. It's like on glass right now. Alright guys, let's see if we can hit this jump. We hit it, but we ain't really getting no pull on that. Let's see if we get a better one. Nope. I just hit a few rips and call it a wrap. Probably take it up to that flat land over there. She's definitely cutting up though. A full blast, call it a wrap. Look at that thing handling. Might have to do a slow-mo on that. Losi 8ight, baby. That thing holding up. I know it would get more bite if it wasn't just spinning, but due to the tires I got on it, that's why it's just spinning. Still having fun though. Alright guys, we're gonna call it a wrap. Thanks for tuning in. Alright guys, this is just a quick tip. This is an after run. I'm still here at the location. I just got ice everywhere. So before I sit this in my car and let it actually sit around my receiver, my ESC and everything, electrical, I try to like get either a rag, anything you got that could wipe all of this ice off, or snow, whatever. Because if it sit there, by the time you get home and it's soaked into the electronics, you're pretty much gonna fry it. So that was just a quick tip. I don't know who needed to hear that, but I figured I just wanted to share that. So all I'm doing right now is just cleaning off all the ice and stuff that's on here, and then I'll put it in the car. And then I usually bring a blower with me. I would have blew it off, but anyway, I'll blow it off when I get home. But I just want to get all that snow out of there. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Alright guys, came to a little dry area. Just get that wetness off, running around real quick. Ooh. Definitely giddy up. I love the way this car handle, man. Shout out to my boy Scuba for selling it to me. Ooh. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a wrap. Thanks for tuning in.